Hello, I'm Evan Lauterbach, and I will be dissecting the cow eye today. Now, the first thing that you can notice on the outside of this eye is the white sclera here and the milky cornea right here. Now, also on the outside, that is a little harder to notice under all of this muscle, is the optic nerve, and that's about it that you can see on the outside. So we're going to make our first incision. It's going to be at the halfway point here. Removed the extra tissue and the optic nerve, we are going to finally cut into the actual eye. Now we are into the actual eye, and as you can see, our lens has popped out, and inside of here is the ciliary bodies, and we can easily invert this. You can see these tiny ridges, and these ridges used to be the bodies that held in this eye. And as I was cutting, a lot of what was the vitreous humor has spilled out and is this jelly substance. It helps in the refraction of light onto the back of this. And then this is the retina, which is this here, this small substance. And on the back, this is the choroid layer, and this is the sclera. And just to recap the structures of the eye, we have the cornea, we have the ciliary bodies, we have the sclera, and this is also the back half of the sclera. We have the choroid layer, we have the retina, we have the lens, and we have the optic nerve and the extra muscles that surround the eye. And, of course, the vitreous humor.